In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jira Service Management Data Center on Localhost Windows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the official Atlassian website and download the Jira Service Management Data Center installer for Windows. Once the download is complete, run the installer. You'll be greeted with an installation wizard that will guide you through the steps. When prompted about the setup method, select the option that says, "I'll set it up myself." This allows us to configure everything according to our specific needs. Now it's time to connect to your database. If you haven't already set up a database, now is the moment to do so. You may want to refer to the Before You Begin section on the website for detailed steps on creating your database. After your database is ready, in the installer, choose My Own Database. Depending on your setup, select your database type and fill in the required details, such as the database name, username, and password. Now that we've set up the database, the next step is to configure the application properties. Give your Jira site a name. This could be something straightforward, like My Jira Service Desk. Then, decide whether you want your site to be private or open for anyone to sign up. Remember, this option can be changed later, so don't worry if you're unsure at this point. Next, you need to enter the base URL for your Jira site. This URL is crucial, as it's the address that people will use to access your instance of Jira. Once the application properties are set, it's time to enter your license. You can do this by following the prompts to log in to my.atlassian.com and retrieve your license key, or you can enter a license key directly if you have it handy. The next step is to create your administrator account. Here, you'll enter details like your name, email, and password. Having an administrator account is essential, as you'll manage your Jira instance from this account. Don't worry, you can always add more administrators once the setup is complete. After setting up your admin account, this is where you set up email notifications. You'll need to enter the details of your mail server so that Jira can send notifications when issues change. Make sure to gather all the necessary details about your mail server to ensure a smooth setup. And now, we've reached the exciting part. You're ready to start using Jira. Your Jira site will be accessible via the base URL you entered earlier, or you can also access it using a format like this, / your computer name or IP address, port. To wrap things up, here are a couple of pointers that can help your team get started. First, add and invite users to get your team on board or configure user directories if you have a larger team. Then consider creating your first project to have something to work on. Lastly, think about configuring SSL or HTTPS to enhance the security of your Jira instance and protect your team's data. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Jira Service Management Data Center on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get started.